Hello friends, welcome to Crypto. Ethereum rewards are coming down in recent days and we posted a couple of videos about Alephium mining in our channel, which was better alternative for Ethereum miners, but recently Alephium rates are also coming down. But still, Alephium is in early stage and has a lot of room to grow. So in my opinion, Alephium is still a better coin to mine, but in this time, instead of just focusing on one coin, it would be better to mine both Ethereum and Alephium. And your mining reward value will multiply in future. Dual mining is like a diversified investment, like spreading your investment across in different coins, which will reduce your risk, right? So same way, dual mine also will reduce the risk. When one goes up and one goes down, you will still be in safer zone. Not just that, let's say your mining rig has both LHR and non-LHR cards. You should utilize them properly to gain a better reward, like using LHR for Alephium mining and non-LHR for Ethereum mining. This will help you to get a better reward continuously. So today in this video, we are going to see how to mine both Ethereum and Alephium together. This mining is going to happen simultaneously, meaning both the coins will be mined at the same time. So when you do overclocking, don't try to overclock the extreme end of your GPU. That may bring down the lifetime of your GPU. Okay, now let's begin. Before that, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for the notification from our channel. To begin your mining, we need to choose the mining pool first. Today I'm going to use Ethermine pool for Ethereum mining and Metapool for Alephium. You can choose your favorite pool for Ethereum, but for Alephium I would recommend to use Metapool. The reason is they have a low fee and easily reachable for any support that you need. Since Alephium is a new coin and you might face some technical issues during mining, definitely you will need some technical support during that setup. Compared to other pools, Metapool team is easily reachable via Telegram and Discord, and they are really helpful too. Also, if you follow their Medium account, they are sharing many useful information and also being very transparent. That's the reason I am recommending Metapool. The next important thing that we need for mining is wallet. For Ethereum, you can either use MetaMask wallet or a wallet from any reputable exchange. If you are using an exchange wallet, make sure that exchange is supporting for mining. For Alephium, we already made a video in our channel to create mining wallets. It will display in suggested video now. Please refer that and create your wallets. And for mining, we are going to use BZMiner today. That can be downloaded from their official site. And if you are in Metapool, go to Metapool onboarding menu. And over here, you can see BZMiner link. Clicking on that link will take you to their official website where you can download Windows and Linux. So we are going to use Windows today. So download that and extract the zip file. So once the file is extracted, you will see the list of files like this. Here, open this dual mine batch file. Right click on it and edit that file, and the file will already contain the setup for Ethereum plus Alephium dual mining. If you are an Ethermine user, then you can just use the same setup. It has already like an Ethermine. You can just use the same setup, or else just update your pool address here and then add your Ethereum wallet here, and make sure to have a space over here. And in this place, we just need to place the 4 mining wallet address that we created for Alephium mining, and make sure to have a space between each wallet address. So once this is done, just save the file, close this, and just click on this dual mine batch file. So you can see 2 devices found in my machine. One is integrated GPU, which is 4.0. and the another one is 3060. This table is for Ethereum mining. You can see here it's for ethermine.org, which is for Ethereum mining, and this table is for Alephium mining. And already you can see that the Alephium mining is started, and Ethereum mining is still not yet started because it's still generating the tag file. So once the tag file generation is completed, then automatically Ethereum mining will also be started. So now let's just close this mining and let's open this configuration file, and this file will contain all the information related to your current mining and your current machine, which is your rig. You can see which algorithm and which pool that you're mining. The first one belongs to Ethash, and that belongs to Ethermine, and then second one belongs to Alephium, and which belongs to Metapool. And the wallet is not yet updated here, but you can still update your 4 mining wallet address here. And at the bottom here, a device override section where you can see all your GPU information. So as we have seen on the command prompt, like I have one 3060 GPU and then one integrated graphics. So that informations are listed here. Let's say if your mining rig has like 10 GPUs, then you will see all 10 different GPUs here. Let's say if you want to use your LHR for Alephium mining only, then you can mark true here. So instead of false, like you just have to change true. So then what will happen is, so all the LHR GPU will just mine only the Alephium algorithm. And if you want to disable some of your GPU from dual mining, then you can update false here. So let's see. I have an integrated GPU which I don't want to use for mining. I'll just change this to false, and then let me save that here. And we have one more option. If you want to use only your NVIDIA GPU for mining, you can just mark it as true here. And if you want to use only your AMD GPU for mining, you can mark that as true here. So once all the update is done, just save this file and close, and then again restart your mining. So now the mining will go based on the setup we did. So now you can see that still the device will list all the GPUs that you have on your mining rig, but when the mining is started, it will not consider the integrated GPU. So you can see that here. So previously in this table as well as in this table, like we have seen both my 3060 as well as the integrated GPU, right? Now we are just seeing only one GPU which is mining, and the integrated GPU is not mining at this moment. And if you want to do the same setup in Hive OS, first make sure to create a wallet for Ethereum and Alephium, and then create a flight sheet. So for wallet creation, make sure like you have one wallet for Ethereum and then one wallet for Alephium. So for Alephium in Windows, what we did is like we had a space in between each wallet, right? But in Hive OS, we just have to put a comma between each wallet. You should not have a space between each wallet. You just need to have a comma between each wallet. That's it. And once the wallet is saved, go to flight sheet, select the coin. First we are selecting Ethereum, and then select the pool as Ethermine or whichever the pool that you want to mine, and then select the server which is closest to you, and then we are selecting BZMiner. The moment you select BZMiner, the dual coin mining will be enabled automatically, where you can choose Alephium and then Alephium wallet, and then dual pool for Alephium is Metapool, and then select your nearest pool server. And then intensity is not really needed. So one of the feature in BZMiner is it will automatically set the intensity. So you really don't need to set an intensity, but if you really want to do, you can still override by giving the values here. And then make sure to give some name. Let's say Ethereum plus Alephium dual mining. And now we have created the flight sheet for dual mining, and then you just have to kickstart the mining in Hive OS. Okay friends, we are at the end of the video. As I mentioned already, this is a good time to do dual mining. Ethereum and Alephium both are trading for low price. When any one of the coin value goes up, your holding value will also be increased. If both increases, it will be a bonus for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel this is a useful one, please do share this video and click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all. Happy mining.